Hi everyone, Dr. Stephen here from Dr. Stephen ENT Innovation. In this very nice video, I'm going to talk about double balloon catheter by Dr. Stephen's Innovation. I will just show you how to make, then I'll talk about how to use it. Start with, we need condom, Foley catheter, and scale, one blade, silk tie for the condom balloon, one scissor to cut it. This marker with me, human nose is around 8 centimeter, adult 8 centimeter. So I keep distance of 8 centimeter in the scale and mark it at 8 centimeter. That is the first thing to do. Second is mark this area where the fenestra, where urine opens and goes out of the lumen here. So with this marking, we calculate, holding the Foley catheter, that lumen which you are going to balloon up. This lumen is air sealed valve. You should open it somewhere here. If you open it here, the entire catheter will get damaged. Opposite to that, the urine drainage pipe has to be opened for the purpose of air getting leaked into second balloon. I've already cut it. Make small opening there. See that lumen is opened here. You leave the open. And then first thing is take a condom, open it. If you're doing it in sterile condition, you use a surgical gloves to make it. But I'm making it here in a OPD setup to show how to make. That's all it is. You don't have to use this catheter. It is only for demo purpose. First thing is to tie this lumen. I use a tonsillar tie, and tightly you have to tie this. When you tie, this lumen gets opened here where I opened. You understand? Then if you insert a hair, air will leak here into the balloon. The balloon I'll show you soon how it is coming with the condom. Yeah, once you seal it, insert the catheter into the balloon until it reaches the tip. Once it reaches the tip, allow the condom balloon to glide on the catheter. As we said, exactly where this balloon ends, the tie is given very firmly, not very constructive manner. The lumen should not close. It is only firmly tied to the catheter. It should not be too tight. If you do too tight, you will have obstruction of the balloon where air cannot be blown out. So that we will soon know once I finish the catheter making. We will know the result. This tie is over, and then trim the thread, and the mark what you made in the thing, you have to put one tie. This also firmly to hold the catheter. It should not be too firm or too constructive to close the lumen of the catheter. It should not be too tight to hold the thing. The tight should be very firm, but it should not be too tight. Once you complete, Once you complete, just to cosmetic purpose, this thing can be tied around end of the thing so that the condom balloon sleekly fits the catheter. Otherwise it will look ugly. That's all. My catheter is ready. Trial. This is the catheter. You insert into the floor of the nose, go to the posterior nasal pharynx. It lies like this. Syringe ma. Syringe. Now you inject air or water. You get first balloon opened. So how much ever you want, you can inject into the postnasal space. This is how it comes. Second, this catheter opens because I have not removed the air seal valve and put it for this. The air seal valve is here. Same thing from different catheter, we can put it here so that you will have a control over air blow. This is the double balloon catheter.